Hello there, I'm Kay Burley, reporting for Sky News. We have an important Sky News exclusive. We head now to Studio 1 at Sky Academy Skills Studios.
Hello and welcome to Sky News. My name is Jason Adu.
And I am Molly Monaghan, reporting live from the Sky Studios in London.
Today's special report is on social networking and the impact cyberbullying has on an individual.
Earlier this week, social media platforms Facebook and Instagram have been in trouble for not monitoring their platforms for abusive and negative content.
Out of 1,002 girls, 48% have said they experience harassment or abuse via social media, according to a survey by Plan International UK, a children's rights organisation.
Let's head over to Enzi for more on this.
It is thought that young people are becoming over-dependent on likes and shares in order to feel good about themselves. A survey of young people aged 14 to 24 has rated YouTube most positively of the social media platforms.
In the programme, we'll be heading to our reporter Rocky, who will be interviewing an influencer and a sociologist.
That's all from us.
Now, let's head over to Rocky.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you, Jason and Molly. Hi, my name is Rakaya. We are talking all about social media, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Right now, I'm joined by a social media influencer who has 8 million followers on Instagram. We have Jens, and we are also joined by sociologists exploring the damaging effects of social media. We have Professor Ronnie P. So, Ronnie, can you tell us what are your thoughts on social media?
Social media can damage people's health in so many ways. They are creating a digital identity, and the nasty comments that I have seen people leave on pages is disgusting. These things can lead to suicidal thoughts and depression.
Jens, what are your thoughts?
I think social media is a way of people coming down out of their little space, because kids get bullied. I'm not gonna argue that kids don't get bullied on social media or don't get insulted on social media, but social media has good and bad values. The good part is that it can bring people together, people that weren't friends before. They can be talking on social media, getting to know each other, making new friends. They could be getting creative in that. They could be getting creative because look at YouTubers. They started off social media, they built up the thing. After that, they started making YouTube videos over and over. Now they have millions and millions of followers, because they put themselves out there in the world. You can't just be staying in one place, because you see kids in school, they stay in one place, stay alone. That's the type of things that I think that's going to get you bullied, because if you're just going to stay in one place in school, that's going to get you bullied. So you might as well get out there, explore different things.
Yeah.
So what do you think the world would be like without social media?
The world would be no one would actually know what's happening in the world, because everybody finds out what's happening in the world through social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Most people don't even watch the news anymore. So yeah.
The world would be so much better without social media. People will actually be socially interacting with each other rather than always being on their phones. We actually will have real relationships.
But can I say something? No, but the thing is this, you're saying that people will be talking to each other more. If you have to remember that people start talking to each other through social media first, because people are mostly shy to talk to each other face to face. You have to remember that. So having social media is actually a good way of people making new friends.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us. This is Sky News at 10. Thank you and goodbye.
Thanks to the team at Sky Academy Skills Studios. That's the end of our special report. I'm Kay Burley. Thank you for watching.